What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL on Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to enable SSL or secure sockets layer. So if you don't know what it is, basically it's a security protocol that helps protect your online transactions from being intercepted by hackers. SSL is enabled by default on Shopify, but you can also enable SSL if you'd like to ensure your online transactions are more secure. To enable it on Shopify, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel and click on the settings link in the top left corner. But as you can see over here, it is in the bottom left. On the settings page, click on the SSL tab, and on the SSL tab, you'll see a list of different options such as enable SSL on Shopify. And to do so, you just click on enable SSL button. So after it, you'll need to enter your Shopify account's SSL certificate details. To find your SSL certificate details, go to your Shopify admin panel and click on the certificates link in the top left corner. It should be over here somewhere, but currently I do not possess any. So basically, if you're enabling SSL on Shopify store, you may experience some issues with your checkout process. Please make sure to test your checkout thoroughly before going live with SSL. So the fifth step and the last one is on the certificate page. You'll see a list of all your Shopify certificates. Click on the add new button next to SSL certificate you want to use and enter the following info: name, domain, certificate, and private key. Over here, if you have one, click save, and finally you restart your Shopify server, and that's the entirety of the process. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.